In our previous lecture, we saw that how to import media files in this project media section and add video or picture in timeline. And in this lecture, we will learn how to split and delete unwanted portion from the video. So we already added a sample video in timeline and here it is. Let's say if you want to cut or split your video right here, then simply, but before this I just zoom my timeline a little bit. And now if you want to split this video clip just in this position, then simply set your timeline indicator in your preferred position, and when you see this arrow icon, simply right click on this and then hit on split. Or you just simply set your timeline indicator in your preferred position and click on this little split icon. Alright, look at this. Our one video clip is now divided into two clips. Alright, let's say I split this video again just in this position. To do this, I just simply right click on this and hit on split. Alright. Now if you want to delete this little portion of the clip, then simply select your video clip and press delete from your keyboard. Alright. So let's play this clip now.
A telephoto lens, we're going to do this with portrait mode enabled and see what that does.
Makes sense, huh? In this way, you can easily split and delete unwanted portion from the video. Thank you so much for watching.